everybody, it's Sandra and welcome back to the channel. And yes, I am here in Walt Disney World yet again. No one should be surprised at this point in my channel. You should be surprised at how late you're gonna see this video though, because I still have not finished editing July, August. We're in September, the end of September, and I am here for an impromptu girls weekend trip. We're here specifically for food and wine. We're not even here for a full 72 hours. I am the first one here. So this is not a solo trip. This started out as a wanting to do 24 hours in Disney. I saw another YouTuber do this similar thing because she was inspired by a TikToker. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's such a great idea. And 24 became 48-ish. And that's perfectly fine. Very similar to my March trip. I'm here for the weekend. This is shorter than my March trip, however, because I flew in. I took the same flight that I flew in March, but I'm flying out in the morning just so that I can avoid any potential flight fiascos that might occur, like my August trip. But I am staying at Coronado Springs Resort. This is one of my favorite moderate resorts next to French Quarter. I was here back in November with my family, and I'm very excited to be back here with my friends. We once again are staying in the Casita section. I also stayed in the Casita section my last trip. However, we stayed in building 4 and had a pool view. We're in building 3 and we have like a view of the lake, kind of. I don't even know. Finding this room was definitely interesting, but I love where we are. There's no one connected to us. It's very quiet and we love to see it. I have absolutely no plans today other than go to Animal Kingdom. My friend Bree, who I mentioned her back in my August trip, she lives in Texas. She was the friend who allowed me to crash on her couch when I got pretty much stranded. I'm trying to get home for 3 days back in August. And so her flight doesn't get in until 9 o'clock tonight. So I just kind of have the day. I do have a park pass to Animal Kingdom, so I'm just debating on if I want to go to Animal Kingdom now or late in the evening, but I think I want to go now. I thought about it. I was going to go late in the evening, but then I also wanted to try to go to Disney Springs, but then I thought about it. I don't feel like I need to go to Disney Springs. If I don't want to go to Disney Springs, I'm not going to Disney Springs. It's so far away and it's just a lot. So I'm just going to stick to my original plan of relaxing, showing you guys the room, unpacking, because I'm only going to be here for not even 48 hours. My entire life is in this. This is the viral carry-on backpack that opens completely flat, belt bag, sweat jacket. Like, this is all that I brought with ears attached because I'm headed straight to Animal Kingdom. I was gonna wear my Jack Skellington shirt, but I got black fuzzies on it from my sweatshirt, which is my new favorite sweatshirt because it's very on brand for me. Anyways, let me give you guys a quick tour of the room. I don't know how this weekend is going to go. This is going to be one long vlog. So however many clips that I get, whatever gets captured, it's all going to be in this one vlog. So I hope that you get a cup of coffee, get a cup of tea, some wine, whatever you feel like doing. It's gonna be a long one, but I am not splitting this up. Like I said, we're not even here for a full 72, 48-ish kind of hours. And it's just, we're only really here for EPCOT. So this vlog is mainly gonna be EPCOT anyway. But let me show you guys the room. It's gorgeous. Okay, so you walk in, here's the door. And we have a double bed, obviously, because it's me and my friend. Then we have a chair here with the 3 caballeros. This is a convention center resort, so it's a little bit nicer than a traditional moderate. So you've got this long bench here with a set of 6 drawers. The fridge is in there, an actual Keurig, which I appreciate. I love the Coronado slidey door situation, but in between the 2 beds, you have the nightstand with a very nice updated phone for anyone who cares, and safety. Again, we're not connected to anyone, so our full-size mirror is on the wall. Oh, speaking of Animal Kingdom, do we love My cheetah print Adidas. Yes, we're going to Animal Kingdom. But I love these. A vibe, a whole vibe. And then the bathroom. We have a double sink, which is very nice. There's 2 of us. Towels, under sink storage. The full H2O products. Love to see it. The mirror is gorgeous. Makeup mirror. I'm sure the hairdryer is in here. It's not. Is it in here? It's not. But the ironing board, the iron. What is this? Luggage rack. Extra pillow and blanket, hangers, everything is in this drawer set. I just love the way Coronado is set up. And then the gorgeous bathroom. It's a little tight, but you have a toilet. And y'all, yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. You guys, this is a moderate resort. Moderate. Definitely come stay at Coronado. Pretty much all the rooms are set up like this aside from Grand Destino, which I do plan on staying at Grand Destino at some point in my life. But even though we're in the preferred section, when we stayed in Casitas Building 4, that was not a preferred room. It still looked like this. Our room was just adjoining because it was me and the 4 other family members. Yeah, I'm gonna make some coffee, call my friend Bree, get her excited because she obviously is not on the plane yet, and then we're gonna head to Animal Kingdom a little bit later in the afternoon to just have some fun, have some late dinner, late lunch, and then make our way back to Coronado. Thank the Phoenicians.
Thank you, Phoenicians.